So we got our boy Christian right here. He all ready to go. Y'all see he got his helmet. I mean, he really dedicated, man. He went out this morning, made sure he ran him a U-Haul so he get out here to the really spot and learn. Now he ready to go. Let's get to it.
This is not a crime. It's a culture. A bike-like culture, that is. The culture that unites people from all over the world. The culture that frees your mind. I am Show Out Boys Drew. And this is the Show Out Boys vision of the culture.
Alright, so what is up, YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy SOB Bro. So today we are out here about to start our Willie lessons. And today we get to start with my boy Christian on his very own 2019 YZ125. So we got our boy Christian right here. He all ready to go. Y'all see he got his helmet. I mean, he really dedicated, man. He went out this morning, made sure he ran him a U-Haul so he get out here to the really spot and learn. Now he ready to go. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna have him warm his bike up a little bit. Gotta warm the bike up a little bit so the bike is all perfect and ready to go and ready to hit its full power and potential. Why they give him the cheat codes, you know. I mean, show him a little something. I mean, give him a little better understanding of, you know, how to control the bike and what gear he should be in or whatever the case may be. Alright, so what's everything that you know already on how to wheel?
Well, let me tell you this. I be watching niggas that's tough, but I know can't go fuck. That's but I be like this.
And is that when they first pick it up or just when you see them wheeling?
I see y'all doing. I see you doing. You know, don't fuck. That's all right there.
Now, when I'm usually wheeling, I like to keep one finger on the clutch. Always just, that's like, that's almost like my safety button. So like if the bike ever get out of control, like the throttle gets stuck or anything like that, I will hold the clutch. Because the kill switch not going to cut the bike off fast enough. Now, with that being said, you got the concept of dropping back here. You got the concept of the back brake. You got throttle.
And all that.
gas, gas, gas. Let's go. Get it up there, control it. You gotta gas it. You gotta, you know what I mean? If you hold the clutch and if you hit that brake too hard, you gotta, get it back up there. Tame the bike. Gas, 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 gas. Yo, how do you have your wrist positioned on the throttle? How do you have your wrist positioned on the throttle?
I be trying. That's one thing I gotta work on.
Try to, well, damn, you never adjusted this from out of dealer. So since it got that much
right,
play.
my man's is like, it's all the way right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, since you're drawing like this before it actually hit, you want to have your wrist probably like this. Okay. So like every time it's back.
Right, you barely got hit it too.
Right.
That's another thing I've realized.
Exactly. This drawing got power. So you know what I mean, you just gotta control that power. That's all. We working. Gas, gas. Gas, gas, gas. Oh, oh. Number one rule, keep that back brake foot on the brake. On every two stroke, when you going fast and you in the power band, if you give it 2 pumps of gas, it's gonna put you on 12 every time. So if you get in the band when you pick up and you go back, 12. And you can just let it coast a little bit. Try not to hit the brake too hard. Just, you know what I mean, ease on it. Don't let go of them. Don't let go of them. Control the bike. Don't let it control you. Best way to have control is to have it on 12. And you're going slow, so you cool. If you was going fast there, it was over. That's why you hitting the brake too hard. You got the brake in the middle of your foot, like right here. If you have your brake like right under like your big toe and like your what is that, your middle toe, I guess? You could actually press it, right? And you could tell when you pressing it, right? Try it like that now. Move your brake foot back some. You gotta get the Puma Swedes.
I got it.
Yeah, that's where it's at. That's the cheat code.
I'm looking at like the bike, trying like, cause I hit 12 before, so I be trying. Like,
Don't think too hard.
Right.
For real, when I wheelie, I look like maybe 10-15 feet ahead of me, so that way I know what I'm about to overcome or what I'm about to, you know what I mean, come by. That way I know if I gotta go left or go right or stay straight or slow it down or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, and never ever, if you ride on the street, never ever run through a red light. Never ever. I don't care if you're the best in the world, don't run through a red light, man. Anything can happen at any given time. Gas, 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 clutch, clutch, gas. Ah, yeah, just like that. Clutch, keep the bike up. You can only keep the bike up with the throttle. Oh, oh. Don't forget to hit the brake. Clutch, brake. When you hold that clutch, you should still give it a little bit of gas to keep the bike on. And you just tap the brake. Don't hit it hard. Okay. More gas. Keep it up higher. Keep it straight. Whoa. Don't forget the brake. Oh, you keep forgetting the brake. Don't forget that brake. Let's go, let's go. There it is. There it is. Oh, why you let go? Your wrist up too far. Bring it down some. Alright, so he almost just went down. I ain't want to show y'all that, but it almost happened. But I'm going to show y'all real fast what he learned before we end this video. And we definitely going to come back with more of these. And y'all got to comment down below and let me know what y'all think. And if y'all want to join my Show Our Boys Willie and riding lessons, make sure you buy a helmet. Make sure you got a bike. Or if you need a rental bike, you could message me or you can message other helpers on my team for more information. But for now, check this out. Oh, let's see what you learned today. Okay, that's okay. We get about 5-6 boxes. Oh, 3. Better. He says that, you know, he's really progressing on what he's doing. And I can tell that he's really dedicated. Like I said earlier in the video, he went out and he ran his own U-Haul. Just for one bike. So that he could make sure he get down here to my classes and make sure he come turn up and make sure he learn and, you know, he get the basics and the concepts of everything. Look, he's still over here working. That power band kick in, drop it back. Okay. Oh. Let's go see what he learned for the day. Let's go ask him. You want to tell the tube what you learned for the day? So we got our man Christian right here on his fresh 2019 YZ 125. Y'all see it? Yeah, he need a fresh back tire though. It's cool. But he out here learning, man. How you do that? What's clutch control?
One finger on the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
Practice it.
What you do with the throttle?
It's a little bit. You don't need that much. Just a little bit.
You just gotta give it a little bit of gas when you're trying to wheelie.
Wrist work.
Just a little bit of wrist work. And how about that back brake? When that come into play?
It's a little bit, little tap.
Just a little tap. Every time you get to 12 o'clock, right? We working, we getting it in, right? Let's go, my man. Oh, little circle. Little half a circle. Don't forget to strap up those helmets, man. Y'all gotta stay safe out here when y'all on these bikes, man. If you don't got a helmet on, I advise you go get one. If you're from Philadelphia, you could go down to Aramingo and Castor, and you could go over to Philadelphia Cycle Center, and you could go get a helmet that we wear as our own. And it's also DOT approved. It's made by Bell Power Sports. It's called the Rogue helmet, the Bell Rogue helmet. You can go get it down on Aramingo and Castor right now, or you can order it online on bellpowersports.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. We lit. SOB out.